search, as we know it is about to change forever. Imagine getting instant answers to your most complex questions, all powered by one of the most advanced AI systems in the world. Welcome to the world of Google Gemini, the next big thing in generative AI. Stay tuned, because in the next 3 minutes, you're going to see how Google is revolutionizing search with a brand new AI model. So, what exactly is Google Gemini? Launched by Google DeepMind, Gemini is a family of AI models designed to transform how we interact with information online. Unlike traditional search engines that just find and rank web pages, Gemini goes a step further. It understands the context, summarizes complex topics, and provides you with a quick, AI-generated overview right at the top of your search results. At the heart of Gemini is its ability to perform multi-step reasoning. This means it doesn't just pull answers from one source. Instead, it combines information from multiple sources, analyzes it, and gives you a well-rounded, concise answer. Whether you're planning a trip, researching a medical condition, or trying to solve a tough math problem, Gemini's got your back. Plus, it's multimodal, which means it can handle text, images, and more, all in one seamless experience. So why should you care? For starters, it saves you time. With AI overviews, you get the information you need without wading through multiple pages. It's like having a personal assistant who already knows where to look and what to highlight. This is especially useful for those complex questions that usually take several clicks to answer. Plus, because it's AI driven, the system gets smarter and more accurate the more you use it. Gemini isn't just a leap forward for Google, it's a game changer for the entire internet. This technology is setting a new standard for how we find and use information. It's also going to have a huge impact on SEO, content creation, and even how businesses interact with customers online. As AI continues to evolve, the ways we use the internet will shift dramatically, and Gemini is leading that charge. So, what does the future hold? With Google Gemini, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to learn, this new AI-powered search experience is set to make your life easier and more efficient. And this is just the beginning. Imagine what could come next. Don't miss out on this technological revolution. Hit that subscribe button for more updates on how AI is changing our world, and let's explore the future together.